Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see the direct delivery concept. So let me open Notepad first and let's try to understand the scenario. Okay, so we are USMF company. So let us assume we have a customer. A customer is C1. They ordered a particular product from us. Let's say they ordered around 70 MacBook from us. And assume currently our stock, we do not have any MacBook available in our system, in our warehouses or sites. So what we'll do, we'll contact one of our vendor who can deliver 70 laptop to us. Okay, now what will happen, these vendors will do the direct shipment to these customers. Again, I will reiterate, this is our company USMF. We have a customer, they need 70 MacBook, but in our warehouse we don't have a single MacBook available for us. But we'll contact to one of our vendor, we'll say that please deliver these 70 MacBook directly to this customer location. So we are going to see the scenario. Now the first thing is that we'll create a new product. We'll say the product as MacBook. So I will go here and I will create a product first. Now to create a product, I will simply go to product information management. I'll go to release product, and here I can create my product. So I will say this as MacBook, and let me select here. It says I'm selecting randomly anything because it really doesn't matter. For our example, storage dimension as site and tracking dimension as, I will choose this as none, and I will say that I'm going to buy this in 500 USD and I will sell it as around 600 USD. Okay, I think this is ready. I will click OK now. And I will check on hand inventory of this item, that would be null. Okay, now the product is ready. Now what we'll do, I will create a sales order for my customer, because my customer is asking for how many? For 70 MacBooks. So I will go to my sales and marketing, I'll create a sales order. I will click on new button here and I will choose my customer. Let's say this customer US001 is asking 70 MacBook from our company, and their address is this, 456 Beach Road, San Diego. I will click on OK here. Okay, and now this customer needs MacBook, so I can say MacBook, how many MacBook they are interested in, 70 MacBook in site and warehouse. So let's say they want this information from these site and warehouse 1 and 101. I will save this. Okay, and now we don't have any stock of this MacBook, so what we'll do, we'll go to sales order and we'll select this direct delivery option here. Now what will happen when we will click on this direct delivery option, that will create a purchase order for us, and here I can select my vendor. So if you see, the purchase price is automatically coming, that I defaulted while creating the product. Let's say this customer, let me select any, let me pick this only, US108. Okay, so I will select this and I will click on OK. Now what this will do, this will create a purchase order for me exactly with the same information. Okay, now when I expand this, you can see this 201 purchase order, it just got created. I can go to my product information here, and I can go to my purchase order simply from here. Now I want to show you one more thing. Let us say instead of 70, the customer was able to arrange 5 laptops for him. So now instead of 70, they are interested in 65. Okay, so now our purchase order should also change to 65. So this is the benefit of this. So for example, when I go to my sales order, let me go to sales order first. Now here, when I will remove this and I will keep this as 65, I will save it. And now when I will go to my purchase order, so you will see this 65 will also get changed in my purchase order automatically because they are tightly linked, because we are doing a direct delivery. Okay, and here if you see in your purchase order, the main thing is that this is the address of our customer. So like this was our customer, right? Contessa Retail India. So this particular purchase order, this will directly go to this particular location. That's why it is a direct delivery here. Now let's open our notepad. Now what we'll do our purchase order confirmation. Okay, and then we'll do product receipt. So as soon as we'll do that, we don't need to change all this status into our sales order. It will get automatically changed. I will show you. Now currently if you see the status is open order approved. Now what I will do, I will confirm this purchase order. I'll click on this confirm button here. Okay, now my purchase order got confirmed. And now what you see here, it's confirmed now. And now I will go to receive. I will go to product receipt. And here I will say delivery reminder example. And I can make sure all this information, and I will click OK. And here this is the address where this will get delivered, not to my company, not to my USMF address, but directly to that customer. Okay, we have some issue here. We'll see. Okay, again same issue. So I'll duplicate this tab and I will go to credit and collection, all credit hold. Now here I'm going to, 1 second. Right guys, I just was able to post my product receipt. I deleted my blocking rules here from my setup. Now if you see the product receipt is done, now when you will go to your sales order, open sales order, and now when you will go to pick and pack, you will see all these options disabled. The reason for that is because our vendor will automatically do shipment in this particular location. This is the location here in this particular address. And so the main benefit that we got using the direct delivery option is if we change something in our sales order, let's say quantities or shipment or something, so the same get reflected in purchase order as well. So this is very useful when your vendor is doing the direct shipment to your customer, and you will simply get the margin. Thanks for watching this video.